Today I'm going to teach you how to make brownies. For this you're going to need a box of brownie mix, Pam, vegetable oil, a dozen of eggs, measuring cups, a large glass bowl, and a glass pan. The next step is to take the brownie mix out of the box, open it up, dump it in the bowl. Next you will want to add 3 tablespoons of water, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Now stir until well blended. We have to pour it into the pan. Let the brownies cook for between 24 to 26 minutes. Just like that, we now have a fresh batch of brownies to enjoy.